here it is, how to adjust the headlights, low beams, the height of the beam projected on the street on this Volvo S60. And I have the glass headlights, so these are from 2001 2004, same sizes, the same way adjusting in. I don't know how this works on 2005 and up with the plastic lens. If you have the same mechanism, then even better. But the way this goes is that we look behind and we have two adjusting screws. Just remove the socket, this lower one and this upper one, and these guys work together, so when one rotates the other rotates as well. And basically I cannot rotate just one of them, so I put one of my hand on this one and the other hand on the other one. I will fit my hands in there, and let me just wait for the camera to focus. The way this guy rotates, they have, obviously there's two ways to rotate them, but you need to match the rotation in each way. So one of the way, this one goes like this, that will be clockwise, and the other one goes like that will be counterclockwise. And the other way, this one goes like this and this one goes like that. So you need to match these things. You just imagine there's like a gear, this one is horizontal gear, this one is the vertical, and the gear are matched together, so it's normal, it's logical, this rotation. So to rotate these guys, I will put directly my finger on the lower one and I will put a socket on the top one. The top one looks like a hex head. You need a very tiny socket. The tiniest one I found, it's a 1/4 in Imperial. This is very small. It's smaller than I have also millimetrics, a metrics one. I think maybe a 5 millimeters will match, but I don't have 5 millimeters. This one 1/4, it's already a little bit too large, so it kind of slips in there. You see it's not tight, but it works. However, these guys are pretty tight to rotate. You may want to use a little bit of engine oil, something to lubricate, but you have to work, or at least on my car, I have to rotate them at the same time on both of them, otherwise they are not going to turn. So careful with the beam, don't project it too high to the sky, because you are going to blind the incoming traffic and you won't see even better. Really, the line for the low beams should not be very far away from the car, because the light is not concentrated any longer. So this is pretty much it. I'm sorry this time my hands are a little bit frozen, and it's also winter time, so these guys, because of the cold weather, I guess they don't turn very easily, but this is how you adjust them. You may want to try to put a ratchet on this guy, but the space is really tight. Usually I would just keep my hand on it and turn it for the top screw. Thanks for watching, guys.